Things to consider before buying a property. Step number 2, get a pre-approved home loan. One of the things that will strengthen your bargaining power is to ensure that you have a pre-approved home loan. You can apply for this with your bank or other service providers such as BetterBond or OBA. It also puts the seller's mind at ease knowing that you qualify for the offer amount. Getting pre-approval gives you a better idea of what you really can afford, which will help you to streamline your search. This also helps with minimizing the time spent on looking for a property because you will know what amount you may qualify for, hence searching for houses around that financial bracket. Please check the comments below for the links of all the service providers that you might need in order to get a pre-approved home loan. Step number 3, you need to factor in the extra costs. Buying a home comes with some once-off additional costs. Costs such as the deposit. Some transactions might actually require a deposit upfront. Transfer duties, conveyancing fees, and deeds registration fees. On top of all that, there is also the cost of running the household. To make sure you can afford the purchase, it's important to work out your current monthly expenses, then add the extra cost of buying your first home. Your bond repayments, together with taxes and property insurance, should not exceed 25% to 30% of your gross income before tax. So with regards to additional costs that come with maintaining the household, we are looking at things like your levies and rates and taxes. But apart from those, you may also need to maintain a pool, hire a garden service, or pay for security, depending on where you're buying the property. If you are buying in a sectional title complex in a gated community, this could include flats, apartments, townhouses, or houses. You are within your rights to request the financial statements to ensure that the property is well managed by the body corporate or its agents and is in good financial standing with its creditors. I will create a separate video where I discuss the pros and cons of sectional titles and full title stamps. It is also a good idea to find out if there are any special levies pending. A special levy is a tariff charged in addition to the regular levy over a fixed period of time. For example, the complex might need to install electrical fence and you might be required to pitch in a form of a special levy. These funds are collected from owners to pay for big investments. It could also be like your security upgrades, painting, or maintenance in general. An impending special levy will impact your costs in the short term. It's important to find out the financials of the agency or the homeowner association that takes care of the complex where you are residing or planning to buy a property. Because, for example, if the homeowner owes the municipality for electricity and the municipality decides that it's going to cut off electricity until a certain amount of money is paid, it means that you won't have electricity in your unit or your apartment or your house. So it's very important to know the financials of that specific homeowners association.